my grandmother dressed me up as a little firefighter. So I don't remember that day, but I guess I looked cute, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, probably a scarecrow.
Disco guy with a big curly afro hair.
Randy Moss would probably be a go-to costume for me.
I had a mean Ron Burgundy costume, and I also dressed up as Alan from the movie The Hangover one year, and it was a dual Halloween costume. So the beginning of the night was different than the end of the night.
As a kid, I don't remember having a favorite, but my mom used to make all of our Halloween costumes. I remember one year I was a big orange pumpkin, and she sewed this big piece of material together, and we stuffed it with Walmart sacks to make it really puffy, and that was probably the most memorable one.
Dylan eats more candy than the rest of the dealership combined. At minimum, eats 30 pieces of candy per day.
We refill it every day, so I'd say 90% of that's mine.
At least 20.
At least 30.
And he does not replenish it.
We have to have a separate budget just to keep Dylan fed with the Halloween candy.